Good morning. Today I'm creating video in the live market. That is the motto of my channels to do the analysis in the live market, and actually that will define the psychology behind taking trade for myself. And if you are following me closely, then it is also for you. So let's start today's video. So for today's trading, I have selected three stocks: Adani Enterprises, Jindal Steel, and Coal India. So let's start with Adani Enterprises. So for current price action, I always look the reason in previous trading session. If you are watching my video regularly, then this is my usual approach, and again that is the thing that I'm going to do. So let's take it Adani Enterprises. In Adani Enterprises, you can clearly see the dominating pressure in this stock for a 5-minute time frame is the BS. BS are now in the control of the Adani Enterprise price. So this is the chart of Adani Enterprises of Friday chart. This is today is Monday, so this is the chart of Friday. So 15-20 years stock. Let me tell you more psychology behind this. Okay, so a very clear head and shoulders pattern you can clearly see. If you know some kind of price actions, then it is a very clear. This is head, left shoulder, head, and this is right shoulder. Okay, now the neck has been broken in a previous trading session. Okay, neck was broken in previous session, so expected movement in this stock is in downward direction, but that is not happening now. So what will we do? For price action, you have some kind of analysis, some kind of expectation from the market, but you must trade along with the market. That is the first rule of price action. So in this case, what happened? Dominant pressure is showing us that bears have taken the control of the price of Adani Enterprises. That is first confirmation. Second is the build-up that was formed from 10:35 till 14:40, around 5 hours of the build-up. Okay, and then the price broken this build-up zone in the upward direction and again came for retesting. So in short, it has given a hint that bulls are in control as of now in this price. So at the very end of the previous trading session, price has shown us that the bulls are going to take the control. The main thing that was required is the market direction of the today's, and that is what Adani Enterprises got in the morning. Market opened up and it was started moving in upward direction. So build up, breakout, retested, and again started moving the redirection. So as soon as the price came in this region again for testing, and a very small, very nice engulfing bullish engulfing pattern was formed. If you can see these two candles, 945 and 950, these two candles very clear indication that bulls are in control now, because a very good and nice bullish engulfing pattern is formed, and that is the indication that now the price will start moving up, and that is what has happened. So I just booked the profit in this stock because uh, already market has moved more than 1%. So whatever the profit that market has given, I should book. I'm still having some position in this stock, but 1 is to 3 I have booked my profit, and I'm trailing my stop loss. So around 250 or 230 I will exit from this stock, or let's see what will happen with this stock today. Now move to Jindal Steel. This is also a very good example. Here you can see all the three confirmation are in a single in the same directions. So again, reason for selecting this stock, you can clearly see the bulls are in control in this stock. Buildup was formed at the ending hours of the previous trading session, and that is on 1st October, and this buildup was around 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. But this buildup was formed more actually interestingly, this buildup was formed on a support. When this is here, first time price tested over here again, and the price was has broken this. So this you can see a kind of barrier was formed, but the price has broken. Now this barrier, at that time it was resistance. Now it has converted into support, and again price came here, tested, bounced, again bounced back, tested, and again now started in creating a build-up zone, intense fight between bulls and bears. So it has given me a clear indication that on Monday when the price came again around this area, you can clearly buy. So I bought this on 404, and as of now I'm in profit, and my risk reward ratio is 1 is to 2.5. So currently I'm in this stock as of now. So three reasons for selecting Jindal Steel: dominant pressure and this build-up zone. Interestingly, this build-up zone was formed in and a support area, and again this third confirmation is the trend of the current market trend is up. So all the three indications are in same directions, so we should take the trade in the major direction. And the third stock is Coal India. Coal India again, dominant pressure in this stock was up. I think buying was the dominant pressure in this stock, and from 29 September, this stock has actually entered into a trading a tight range, where this price of the Coal India was trading. Still, it is trading in a tight range. So we can't say anything about this. I have picked this stock, but till now it has not given me any kind of signal. But still, I am watching this stock because I'm expecting a kind of buy signal in this stock. Till 2:30, I will wait. Otherwise, I'm enjoying the fight of bulls and bears in this stock. So this is about Coal India. So overall, three stocks selected, and two in two stocks I have traded. In both of them I have bought, and in Adani Enterprises I have booked my profit, and in Jindal Steel I'm still in holding my position, but now I am already booking 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio in this stock. So I have trailed my stop loss. So if any chance if market will turn, I will be in profit. So till 2:30 I will wait, and Coal India, if any signal will be provided, then only I will take. Otherwise, I am not going to trade in this stock. So this is the conclusion of the today's trading. And now what we are going to learn today here. The most important lesson that I have learned today from today's trading, and maybe I will again uh, face same kind of a scenario, is like you are currently seeing that uh, dominant pressure is not in your favor. Okay, so first confirmation is not in current market direction, that is in it shows us that market will go down. So again market came down, buildup was formed. So but the price was started moving up. So this is actually it tells us, or it is showing that market is supreme and we should trade according to the main trend of the market. Not that we have already uh, uh, fit in our mind that if market will move this kind, then only I will trade. Sometime it happens, like it happens in general still today. But if market is telling you that no, don't go for short, go for buy, then we should go for buy call. So trade in the direction of major trend. This is the lesson of today's trading. And how you are going to recognize that this is the major trend? You can easily recognize by having a watch on SGX Nifty before starting your trade. So you will have an idea that market may turn in green today. So this is about today's trading. Keep trading. If you have time, then keep watching these stocks. You will definitely learn something more interesting, or something more price action, some more price action phenomena. So having a continuous eye on chart also give you a very good background of the price action. So this is about today's trading. Thank you friends. Keep watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you find content or analysis is good for you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.